Assalamualaikum, this is Group 1. Today our documentary is about decluttering, a new hope for a healthy society. At first, we have to know what declutter is. It means to remove any unwanted thing or unnecessary item from any overcrowded place. In other words, to simplify or get rid of anything disordered or get rid of anything disordered or having complications. In real life, we can declutter our life by following steps, as like us to organize the file and apps, to get rid of anything expired. Look over the following steps.
How do you start decluttering when overwhelmed? I know the idea of decluttering your home can be overwhelming. Most people have been accumulating things for years and years so that won't undo itself overnight. When you feel overwhelming, the key to focus on taking one small steps at a time. Don't focus on the mountain of stuff, but instead of look at small actionable steps that you can take each day. Commit to the process and keep working on it as you're able, and you will be amazed at the progress you make.
Decluttering must come first before organizing and cleaning. Whether we set ourselves into an everyday declutter challenge or we declutter just when we are about to clean a particular area in our home or in our society or any workable place, we will find that organizing and cleaning becomes a lot easier when we have decluttered first.
Today I would like to present the steps to declutter the environment. Number 1, repurpose. Sometimes we are quick to throw things when there are a probability to reuse them. Number 2, donate. Old clothes, blankets, sheets are sometimes welcomed at homeless shelters. Number 3, recycling. When it comes to recycling, you can donate the big stuff to charity, list the old products and drop them off recycling center. Number 4, digitize. Accumulation of official documents, ATM slips may be digitized by computer technology. Number 5, green cleaning. Emphasis eco-friendly products and utilize citric extracts that are biodegradable. Number 6, make better choice. Being environment friendly and conscious, think before you purchase and also before you toss. All it takes is a little effort on your part.
How we can declutter our home? There are several ways we can declutter our home. They are: start with 5 minutes in a day, give one item away daily, fill an entire trash bag, donate clothes that I will never wear, create a decluttering checklist, take the 12-12-12 challenge, view our home as a first-time visitor, take before and after photos of a small area, get help from a friend, use the 4-box method, make the most of our kitchen storage spaces.
Decluttering a new hope for the healthy society? Yes, the decluttering can enable us better focus on any task at hand. Decluttering promotes creativity. Decluttering improves the condition of physical and mental health. People experience a significant reduction in stress hormone cortisol. How decluttering can make us happier? By reducing stress, because clutter equals to stress. Decluttering tips help us to reduce toxic particles from home. Removing declutter also includes cleaning mold. So, decluttering your life and your mind.
How can we get motivated when decluttering? Sometimes we have intention of decluttering but never get around it, or we get the motivation to declutter but we lose the motivation as we go along. Here are some simple ways to get and stay motivated to declutter. First of all, set a decluttering goal. Make a decluttering plan. Find inspiration picture. Plan a reward for yourself. Find a declutter buddy. Schedule your decluttering times. Start small. Find a way to make it fun. Set realistic expectations. Track your process and last, just start.